Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today's video is going to feature 10 must-see hair transformations. So here we have a bob makeover. Ooh, absolutely beautiful bob style. This one does feature a bit of an angle, and I really like the fact that she has a hint of color going there in the bangs, really taking a nod to the money piece highlight trend, but it's a very subtle way to rock out the look. Next up, we have someone with some grown out color. So the stylist does add some color for this one. There is the before, and ooh, look at that after. Gorgeous, fiery red hair color. She does have some bangs going here in the front. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh! Oh, all of that hair is gone. So we have a nice pixie hair transformation here. She's got her natural grays mixed in. And then here we have a nice bob makeover. Oh, getting some color added. Oh, she went blonde. Oh, wow. Absolutely beautiful. I love the color too. Alright, so we have another color transformation here. Looks like she's going red. Oh, so pretty. And red is definitely one of my favorite hair color trends for 2025. I just think it looks so beautiful. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she has a bit of damage here, probably from the color, I'm guessing. Hair is very dry. So it looks like she went darker and got a nice classic bob style here. Hair looks so much healthier. Beautiful shine to the strands. And I like the shape of this bob too. So one of the hottest hair color trends for 2025 is, believe it or not, blue. We are seeing this trend all over TikTok. It is really just kind of taking the world by storm. Ooh, oh, this blue pixie is gorgeous. So cute. And then we have someone getting their hair done. She has a nice little coffee drink going there. I love it when you can go and get your hair done and have like star treatment. Like you get a glass of champagne, you get an espresso, you get some coffee, you know. It's just an experience when you have like a specialty drink. So it looks like she got some bangs here, some curtain bangs. Another huge TikTok trend for 2025. Beautiful layers here. And then we have another layered style. Oh, this is so pretty. Hair ends just around the shoulder length, the shoulder blades. This one features some bangs in the front as well. Definitely giving us that like 90s layered vibe here. Very pretty. And this type of cut is definitely going to add some volume to your hair. So if you're looking for a simple way to shake things up, definitely try some 90s layers. Okay, so we have someone with the waistline hair. She wants to go sky blonde blue. I have no idea what that is, so this is going to be interesting. Looks like it might be like an icy blue shade or just like a very light blue. Oh, she's got like pops going here. Ooh, okay, that is a fun way to rock out the blue hair color trend. Very cool. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of the hottest hair trends that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.